Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. The way you set up your bars and controls have a big effect on the way you ride, and even your technique, but we'll go over that later on. Right now, we're just going to go over some different products and figure out which ones are right for you. Each handlebar has different characteristics, but like most controls, a lot of it's personal preference. From the Renthal twin wall design to the ODI CFT bars, what it really boils down to is comfort and cutting down as much vibration as possible without sacrificing strength. We also have different styles of bars, both with and without a crossbar. While a lot of people think the crossbar style is just for looks, there's actually more to it. The crossbar may increase stability, but there's also a chance that you'll add rigidity that you'll notice in your upper body. A lot like handlebars, grips are mostly personal preference. We've got brands like ODI, Renthal, ProTaper, and more. If you're looking for a half waffle, full waffle, lock on, glue on, no matter what direction you decide with bars and grips, you can bet we have it at MotoSport. There isn't much that makes a day worse than having to leave the track early because you tipped over and broke a lever. These folding levers from Turner will help you cut down those chances by hinging instead of bending or breaking when your bike hits the dirt. If your clutch is a cable style, products like this Works Connection perch has an easy adjust for the cable and a ball bearing lever to make life a little easier. While you're at it, it may be time to replace those cables to help keep your clutch and throttle smooth. We have plenty of aftermarket cable options as well as a full selection of OEM.